Have you ever wondered about the magic that unfolds in your garden under the moonlight? Welcome to the enchanting world of moon gardens. These unique spaces are designed for evening enjoyment, featuring plants that bloom and release their fragrance as dusk falls. Moon gardens turn nighttime into a magical and fragrant experience. Creating a moon garden centers on selecting the right elements. The magic begins with choosing plants that are especially suited for moonlight viewing. These are typically plants with white or light-colored blossoms that reflect the moonlight, turning your garden into a lunar wonderland. Some plants even bloom only at night, adding another layer of charm to your garden. Consider fragrant flowers such as jasmine, gardenia, and moonflower. These not only add beauty but also fill your garden with a wonderful aroma, enhancing your nocturnal experience. But a moon garden is not just about the plants. You can add reflective decorations that twinkle in the moonlight and gentle lighting to subtly illuminate the path and highlight certain features. It's all about creating a soothing and magical atmosphere that comes alive under the light of the moon. With the right elements, your garden can transition into an enchanting moonlit paradise. But why should you consider having a moon garden? Moon gardens are a spectacle, extending the enjoyment of your garden into the evening hours. They offer a unique sensory experience with fragrant blooms and rustling leaves under the silvery moonlight. Moreover, they are a haven for night pollinators, like moths and bats, providing a crucial role in our ecosystem. With a moon garden, you're not just creating a captivating nocturnal landscape, but also contributing to nature's cycle. A moon garden not only adds beauty to your space, but also contributes to the ecosystem. So, are you ready to bring the magic of the moon into your garden? Embrace the elements of a moon garden and reap its benefits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more garden magic. Turn your garden into a nighttime wonderland with a moon garden.